In today's video, we're going to teach you different hold position of the kettlebell. You see, before you start to work out, you need to know there are different ways to even hold this kettlebell. So when you hold it with different ways, you get different muscles hit. Okay, so without getting delay, let's get started. So welcome to our channel RudraVed. Let's start with the weight. Now, the very first position of the kettlebell to hold is, you must have seen this, is this position. You see, this is the most important position of the kettlebell hold, and it is called the racked position. You see, simply it is racked in your hand. It is called the racked position of the kettlebell. Now, the next position of the kettlebell is to hold it with two horns. So, the name of this position is, of course, the horns. Horns, horns, horns. Now, the next position of the kettlebell is the inversion position. You see, it is inverted. So, this is the next position, inversion. Now, the next position is the turn position. You see, this is the turn part of kettlebell, used like a weighing machine, weighing bar, what you can call it. So, it is a turn position. When you hold it from here, not from here, it is the turn position. Now, the next position is, you see, for the leg exercises, you are going to do is the foothold. This is the foothold of the kettlebell. Okay, so you see, that's all for today's video. Stay tuned for another video for the workout video.